Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Buju, Banton and John Legend create Memories. Grammy winners Buju, Banton and John Legend today released the single Memories, a pulsating reggae and jazz-infused track produced by Donovan Jermaine alongside Stephen Lenky Marsden, which reminisces over love lost and the unforgettable memories that cannot be erased.
Complicated, which is most of the time. A life without your love.
Memories marks the second duet from Buju and John Legend, as in 2008 they collaborated on the track Can't Be My Lover, which was featured as a bonus track on Legend's album Evolver. Memories will be featured on the Upside Down 2020 album. Now, Christopher Martin gets creative with Little Green Apples. Big singer Christopher Martin today released his new single Little Green Apples, produced by Jeremy Harding, the remake of the chart-topping 1968 hit of the same name that has also been covered by American recording artist Patti Page, Josie Smith, and Frank Sinatra, as well as by reggae icon Dennis Brown back in 1971. The remake of Little Green Apples is on the heels of Christopher Martin's single Big, released last month.
Oh, Jah didn't make the little green apples, and it don't rain in Indianapolis in the summertime.
Now, this Saturday, the ladies are in for a treat at Fame Frequency Girls Code. It features female personalities Jenny, Paula and Porter Jones, Debbie Bassoon, and Talia Suarez. The high-energy event will also feature Fame 95 FM DJ Taj and Hits 92 FM DJ Tropical. Can't wait. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.